To quickly get started on your cable railing system, please visit our website and fill out an estimation form. One of our experts will contact you within 48 hours with a layout design and a cost breakdown of materials based on your design. Thank you for joining Stainless Cable and Railing for this demonstration video. We will be showing you the proper steps for installing our aluminum cable railing system with a post-to-post rail. This system is particularly popular for stair railings since it provides a continuous, graspable handrail. Before getting started, make sure you're familiar with your local building codes to ensure your installation is compliant. Reference your estimation layout sheet to make sure you have blocking in the right locations. For this installation, we will be using standoff spacers, hex bolts, washers, and screw covers to secure the pre-drilled posts to the fascia board of this staircase. First, measure out your post and bolt placement locations using your estimation layout sheet. Mark your posts and fascia board accordingly. Then drill pilot holes through your posts and fascia board. Use post caps to seal the open bottom of your post. Feed a washer and screw cover onto a bolt before sending it through a post hole. On the other side, add a standoff spacer. This spacer will ensure that the post extends out from the fascia board far enough to clear the drip edge. You can stack multiple spacers for larger drip edges. Work the remainder of the bolt through the fascia board and secure it on the other side using another washer and hex nut. Check that the post is plumb and level before tightening the nuts all the way. Repeat these steps for the last post of your run. Now we'll install the post-to-post handrail. Line up your rail with the installed posts and mark where the rails meet the posts. Cut the rail to its final dimensions using a chop saw. On the top stair post, mark where you will attach the mounting bracket for your post-to-post handrail. Drill your holes and secure the bracket using 10 by 3/4 inch screws. Ensure that your brackets are plumb and level before fully tightening. Repeat this step for the other bracket on the bottom stair post. Once the mounting brackets are ready to go, loosen the hex bolts securing the bottom post so that you can work the handrail in between the brackets. Feed the rail over the brackets and settle it into place, then retighten the hex nuts on the bottom post. To secure the rail to the mounting brackets, drill 2 pilot holes through the rail and brackets on either side. Screw one 8 by 3/4 inch Phillips panhead stainless screw into each pilot hole. With the terminal posts and rail in place, you can now work on the middle post. Measure out where your handrail saddle brackets will be connecting the middle post to your rail. Drill the holes and attach your saddle brackets. Use the brackets to determine the location and final height of your middle post, and install it into place. Now that your frame is complete, you'll want to prep the posts for cable. Measure out the locations and angles for your holes in consideration of the railing frame. Drill elongated holes at these locations to accommodate the angled cables and fittings. Once the posts are ready, all you'll need to do is cut, crimp, and line your cables. Consult our video, How to Tension Cable Railing, for these steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your finished cable railing. Visit us online for more information and tutorials at stainlesscablerailing.com.